Arĩa mehiko kana mĩciĩ makoretwo magĩtũngio mbara cia kĩmwĩrĩ kana cia heho nĩmoretio matigakire rĩngĩ thutha wa ciĩko ici kuongerereka mwena wa Vihiga, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie thirikari ĩhingũre wabici ya kũhũra riboti ciĩgiĩ arĩa marauna watho wa ihoto cia ũmũndũ.
But ours today is to raise the awareness of GBV and maybe encourage the reporting of such cases whenever it happens.
Wetu tumeifungua officially, and then there's the GBV center, the county GBV center is in Vokoli, and that one we handed over to the county government. We want all of them to operate together so that at least in Vihiga County kukue na 0% of GBV cases. And I want
Mũingĩ ũrĩtio ndũgakire rĩngĩ wĩtĩkĩre kũhũthĩra wabici ĩyo kũnina ciĩko cia njũragano na mbara ingĩthemeka ihiko-inĩ kana matũũra-inĩ.
To ask our men, treat the women as your sisters and your wives and your aunties, and even women treat the men in the same manner. These are our people. We want Vihiga to be a safe place for each and everybody to live in. What I will
arĩa marorotwo moretie magarũrĩre amu kuma rĩu ũrĩa kuonekana mahĩtia nĩekuoerwo makinya marũmu ma kĩwatho.
If you know you are anybody, whatever rank you are, we get that you have impregnated a school-going child, you have raped an underage or an old woman, we are giving you a last warning. And I want to sound this. I'll not care which position you are, I'll not care who you are, you will end up at the police station here.
Ukipata case kama hii ya watoto ambao wamenajisiwa or even people who have been abused very violently, please don't keep quiet. Whether it's a relative or a neighbor or somebody you know, just come and report so that we can get rid of these cases.
Ngirifotere Noro TV, jetagwo Janga. Boy.